Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then we need to scroll down, and right here we have HD audio. Now, you cannot find this feature in the settings on your Apple device. On Apple device, by default, you use AC, so don't worry about it. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. Also, HD audio you can find in the developer options. You need to only write HD and you will see HD audio. Tap at this line and you can enable or disable it right here. As you can see, once we enable it in the developer options, now we can swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. And if you disable HD audio, you will use SBC codec. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!